In today's painting project, we're going to make an abstract painting using silver leaf. So when it comes to working with silver leaf, it's actually relatively simple to work with. There's just a couple of things that are a little bit frustrating with silver leaf, gold leaf, copper leaf, all of the leaving material in general. There's two basic things that are a little bit frustrating. So if you're going to be working with your hands and tearing it apart with your fingers, it can and will get stuck to your fingers due to the oil on your skin. And then when you go to try and pull it off, it gets stuck to your other finger, and then you pull it off and it gets stuck to your other finger. And it can be a little bit frustrating. And then sometimes you shake it off. I should actually grab a piece and show you. You shake it off and then it floats. And you gotta try and catch it. That's all part of the fun of working with leaf. Leaf, leaving, leaf, leaving, leaf, leaving, leaf, leaving. Shake it off. Try and catch it. Shake it off. Try and catch it. Leaf, leaving, leaf, leaving, leaf, leaving, leaf, leaving. Shake it off. Try and catch it. Shake it off. Try and catch it. Leaf, leaving, leaf, leaving, leaf, leaving, leaf, leaving. Shake it off. Try and catch it. Leaf, leaving, leaf, leaving, leaf, leaving, leaf, leaving. I hope you enjoyed that as much as I enjoyed making this video. Abstract painting with silver leaf is actually pretty easy to do. As you could see in the video, when I was sticking the silver leaf onto the canvas, I was basically just using black paint. In fact, my paint was even a little bit watered down. And then I would just take my finger and I would stick it onto the canvas. If you do have trouble with that, you can always use a dry brush. I have one with very thick, stiff bristles that I use for this. So that's another way to stick it to the canvas and not have to deal with it getting stuck to your hand. But shaking it off and having to catch it, that's part of the fun. If you're looking for any other abstract painting techniques or just abstract paintings in general, if you like that kind of content, check out this playlist right here. Or maybe check out one of my other videos.